Hey guys, this is JD, the occupational therapist. So I got these tennis balls to review. These are pre-cut tennis balls made for adaptive equipment or for furniture. I personally like to use these for adaptive equipment or walkers. Let me open these up and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Inside the bag, it's got a pack of 4 tennis balls. And these tennis balls are already pre-cut with the holes to put the walker legs in or your furniture legs in. So you'll just put these right inside and will allow for the legs of the walker to go in there. This will make it easier for the walker to move across various surfaces. So with this, I recommend taking off the pegs first, and then you'll put this right in. This will just pop right on top, like so. We'll take the other walker leg and we'll put this also right on top. Now you can also use this with a two-wheeled walker or a standard walker that doesn't have wheels on it, and you would just put the extra 2 tennis balls right here on the front, and then you'd be able to use it and just push it right along. Now with these balls, you'll just flip this back over and this will glide across any flat surface. Solid surfaces like tile or wood, these are great. You'll just find that they will glide right across with it. So if I wanted to apply these to a piece of furniture, I would just, once again, find the hole that's right here in the tennis ball. And you can make these a little bit wider if you need to. Sometimes the piece of furniture that you're trying to put these on, the legs are larger than what you may like. So with this, you'll just take the leg, you'll pop this down and on. And then you can put it on any piece of furniture that you like that has a leg like this. These balls are great. This is something that we use a lot in practice. I love the fact that these come pre-cut. You can always make them a little bit wider by cutting it open with a pair of scissors. They fit onto the walker legs just perfect. If you have a standard walker, these will also work on it. Or you could always put this on a two-wheeled standard walker like this and just pop them right on the back. They're great, they help with gliding, and my dog apparently likes it too as well. So check them out.